Hello everyone. So welcome to a brief rundown of a new portal and how it is going to assist you with your customer journey with Emicool. So in order to access the new portal, you'll have to visit our website, which is www.emicool.com. And in order to access the portal, you will have a link. You can click on the customer portal and then you will be redirected to the customer portal. Once you come to the customer portal, this is the page that you will see. It is available in two websites, English and Arabic. For any existing customers, you'll be able to log in with the email address or person ID, which will be shared with you via email. If you are a new customer approaching us, you have the options to request your move-ins, apply for an NSE request. If you're a consultant looking to get in contact with our projects team, you can register your interest here, quick pay link, and to track any of your requests. For existing customers, you'll be able to use your email address or the person IDs that will be shared. So in order to log in, once you log in, you'll be redirected to the dashboard. This is our main dashboard over here for the new customer portal. As you can see here, you'll be able to see your name, email address, mobile numbers, and all of the account details, which is your account ID, service start date, the status of your chilled water service agreement, premise details. You can see your current outstanding bills. You'll be able to access all of your bills, pay the bills. This is a brief rundown of all of the quick links that we have available for a move-in request, move-out request, or to track any existing tickets. This is just a brief explanation for all of the customers regarding the energy saving tips on how to increase the efficiency of your cooling. We also have our e-support, which is Ask EMI. You'll be able to ask any questions and you should be able to get the answers. If any of the answers are not available, we also have our FAQs over here, in which you'll be able to access most frequently asked questions regarding Emicool services or for the customers. This is another page where you will be able to access our customer care email address as well as our call center number. For any customers who have their KYC details expired, you will be able to see a flag which is marked in red. And in order to update your KYC details, you'll have to go to services and complaints. Here you will be able to access a host of different options. As you can see here, open close valve requests, payment related requests, connection for non-connection or for non-payments, additional load request, and here is the KYC update. And also any tenant move-out request, IBAN update, or any move-in request to a new unit. So in KYC updates, we have multiple options for updates: Emirates ID, HRE update, name change, passport update, or trade license update if it is an organization. For complaints, we have a separate section over here, and these are the types. So billing related, cooling related, payment related, or service related complaints. For any of the tickets that you have raised, you will be able to track the status in the past tickets history by selecting the dates or by refreshing the status over here. In order to access your billing details, you will be able to click on the billing option over here. Here you should be able to see each of your bills, which will be downloadable by clicking on the bill details. Once you click, you'll be able to see the details, make the payments, or download the bill. All your complete billing history, you will be able to access your statement of accounts from this hyperlink over here.